law is still pretty new. It's still changing, it's still evolving, and some of the boundaries are still fairly unclear. As it stands, employers are still permitted to have drug and alcohol-free workplaces. They're allowed to restrict employees who are under the influence of marijuana, and they can still restrict marijuana use in the workplace. And in some cases, they can still require drug tests. I spoke with attorney Damian Weinstein of Weinstein and Klein, and he said as the state implements rules and regulations, we'll have to watch them all play out and be litigated in court. Hudson Etienne runs two tax firms, one in New York and this one in Cranford, New Jersey. And he told me drug testing is part of the background check for all new employees.
Us as being a tax firm, we want our clients as to engage our employees where they're not intoxicated, not impaired in any way.
However, with the legalization of recreational marijuana, Etienne says he'll give it the same treatment as he would alcohol in the workplace.
Now that it's legal, it's a recreational drug. Just like alcohol is a legal recreational substance. You do what you want to do on your own time. However, when you enter outdoors, we don't want for you to be impaired in any way.
So, Naomi, the question then is, what's the next step for employers and employees?
Honestly, it really is a wait and see type of deal right now, where we're waiting to hear from the state and just kind of get, the rules that they plan on implementing, and just kind of waiting to see what that happens. But in the meantime, what folks can do really is, like Hudson Etienne just said, treat it like alcohol. You don't want to show up to work high. You don't want to show up to work drunk. So you want to use that same judgment as you would with alcohol. But as Mr. Weinstein told me there, he said we're still waiting to hear from the state on how they plan on implementing a lot of these rules.
Yep, it is just so new. Thank you, Naomi. Naomi Yaneh reporting.